Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Math with McMurdo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, what we have here is a brief discussion about gross and net income. Earlier I did a video on this, but I'd like to expand on it. If we look here and we have a bar model, gross income is this entire amount of money here. Gross income is the entire amount of money. Now, the net income is this money, and then they take away the taxes and deductions on your paycheck. So if you look at your paycheck and you see you earned $1,000, you may only get $897 because they took some out of taxes. So gross income is the amount of money a person makes before taxes and other deductions are taken out. Net income is the amount of money a person actually gets. If you take the check to your bank, if you're only in putting in the bank your net income. Your net's always going to be smaller than your gross, or you can say your gross is always going to be bigger than your net. If you want to find the net income, if you take gross income, subtract the taxes and other deductions, you're going to get your net income. Now, I found an example. I think it's pretty cool. You're going to look at it and you're going to say, well, he still has a lot of money. The point is what the deductions that are taking out of it, so you can see the difference between the gross and net income. So I found a picture that had Jason Tatum, Boston basketball player's salary for the year. His gross income, how much when he signed the contract, they said he was going to make $62,800,000. That's a huge amount of money. Well, at least to me, you may not think it's much. They took out of that gross income, they're taking out $37,600,000. So his net income is then $25,200,000. So there's a huge difference between the gross, which is $62,800,000, and the net, which is $25,200,000. Yeah, but he still has $25 million. You know, that's a lot of money. Well, if we look at it, what if we said it was $62,800 all the way down to $25,200? Then you'll see the difference in real life, real people life. $62,800 down to $25,200 is a huge amount of money. Obviously, the less your gross is, the less they're going to take in deductions, which are any taxes, the payroll taxes, it might be insurance, it might be you putting money aside for retirement, it might be some companies take money out for daycare. So there are a lot of deductions that can come out of a paycheck. But gross is always going to be bigger than net. Gross is always going to be bigger than net. To find net, you take the gross income, subtract the taxes and deductions, and you find the net income. Okay? Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, like, share, subscribe, Math with McMurdo, thank you. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, like, share, and subscribe.